Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare this beautiful salad on a stick. So let's get started and have a look at the ingredients required. Some lettuce leaves which have been cut into the square shape. Some green spinach leaves. One small tomato which have been cut into square shape. And I have removed the seeds from inside the tomatoes. One small onion which have been cut into square shape and the layers have been separated. Some cubes of fresh mozzarella cheese. One slice of bread which have been toasted until crisp. Then I've cut them into square shapes. Mayonnaise, bamboo skewer or toothpick. Let's start assembling the salad now. For that I have taken a skewer here and a platter to place our skewers once they are finished. So first of all, I'm going to take the lettuce leaves and we are going to pierce the skewer through the lettuce leaf like so. Next we will insert the tomato piece. Now we will take the spinach leaf and we are going to fold this in half and pierce this. Now we are going to take the onion. Next we will add the mozzarella. Now we will take the bread slice or croutons and pierce this through. And once skewer is ready, we will place this like so. Similar way we are going to prepare all our skewers. You can put vegetables in any sequence you like. Similar way, I have prepared all the skewers with the vegetables. Now it's time for the dressing. Now I'm going to pour the dressing. So carefully we will hold the skewer and then we are going to put mayonnaise on top like so. And our salad is all ready. If you wish, you can sprinkle some salt and pepper on it. And our beautiful salad is all ready to be served. This makes a great party food. I hope you give it a try. If you like today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Do follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Indian Kitchen Flavors and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, bye bye.